Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be another side hustle type video. As you guys know, I'm going to take a seat down here on the chair. It's nice out today. But yeah, so as you guys know, I love side hustles. I'm always looking for a way to use the things that I own to generate income. That's kind of how I look at everything in my life. Like, if it's not going to make me money somehow, then I really don't want it. So I look at everything on how it can be an asset of some sort. So you guys know obviously that I have my truck and my trailer. I had bought that trailer just to haul my C10. I turned it into a vending trailer so it could generate money and pay for itself. I was volunteering at an animal shelter, and I like being around dogs, and I have a nice big house with a fenced in yard and all that stuff, so I looked at a way how to generate money from dogs, which turned out to be very, very good. And then I started doing the pet waste removal on the side and serve pretty much this entire neighborhood here and all the surrounding neighborhoods. So now that I have all of those up and running, I've been thinking, how can I use my truck, just my truck, to generate some income here on this side? And as you guys can see, it's a nice truck. It's a 2021 Chevy Silverado 2500. Nothing fancy. It's paid off. It's been paid off for years, and I absolutely love that truck. Yeah, but there's ways that you can make money with it. So one of the things that I started noticing around here was people are always doing yard sales. People are always like posting in all the Facebook groups, like, could somebody haul something to the dump for them or pick something up? I live in a very small, like, country little town. There's a lawnmower right there. They make a lot of money actually doing all the lawns and stuff here in my neighborhood. But I figured a good side hustle down here would be using my truck to go pick up people's junk or trash or yard clippings or whatever it is and go haul it to the dump. I live literally 5 minutes from the local dump here. I have a dump pass because I'm a resident of my neighborhood. Let me go inside where we can actually hear, because that hustler over there is cutting grass. Yeah, so I live in a country little town, tons of side businesses and side hustles and people doing things, yard cutting, hanging Christmas lights, pet waste removal, dog boarding. I'm sure there are some people that haul junk away and move things. So I figured I'd start up another little side business of my own and call it Trash Dash. And I'm pretty much just going to use that big truck out there. I'm going to make posts all over Facebook and all of my like local community pages and stuff. I already made up a logo and everything and a Facebook page for it. And I'm just going to put up a post every single week saying, hey, you don't have a truck? I do. You don't have time? I do. I'll literally come haul all of your stuff curbside. I'll make the 5-minute trips to the dump. If it's a really, really big job, then I have that 24-foot trailer out there that I could very easily load up for more expensive jobs, and I could take that to the dump and use that as well too. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. We'll see. I think it will. I might only get like a client here and there or whatever, but as it builds over time, I think we'll get a lot of business out of it. I'll put yard signs and stuff in all the neighborhoods. I'll make some door flyers up and go put them out in some of the neighborhoods. I'll post on Facebook and stuff like that. And if it gets really, really busy, probably what I'll end up doing is going and buying like a little equipment type trailer or something like that, a little trash trailer or something like that that I can haul around with like my business logo and all that stuff on it. But what I'm not going to do is invest any of my own money into this business. I'm going to post for free for right now, and I'm going to use my truck that I already have, and if it starts going good, we'll reinvest all of the profits into like a nice little trailer and some marketing, some ads and stuff like that, and we'll just see how it goes. I think side hustles are a great thing. There's always a way that you can use what you have to make money. And so even if it's only an extra $100 or $200 a week by going and picking up some people's trash in front of their house, I'll do it. I have no shame in my game for that. Like, if you can add an extra $5, $10, $15, $20,000 a year to your income, like, why not do it? I'm already doing it with so many other things right now, and wealth is built from multiple sources of income. So we're gonna try this out and see how it goes. But I will definitely keep you guys posted on here, and I'll make another video like when and if I actually get my first client and I'll like videotape the process of picking up all of the junk and going to the dump and what I charged. And I'll probably charge too little on the first one, and I'll probably like regret it, but I gotta start doing some research on what to charge people for like half loads or full loads or like loads in my trailer or whatnot, and kind of see how it goes. But yeah, join me on the ride and let's start a new side hustle business venture.